Okay, so now we're going to go through the procedure for calculating a 95% confidence interval. And the basic process is always the same. First, you have to select the correct formula for standard error. Then you plug in the numbers and then you double it either side of the number you first thought of. And when I say double, I mean multiply by 1.96. So now we'll do a worked example, and I'm going to do the 95% confidence interval on a proportion. So here's an example. Let us suppose that in a surgical series of patients, there were 10 complications in 40 patients operated. So the proportion of patients who got an infection was 1 in 4, 0.25, 25%. We want to calculate a 95% confidence interval on that proportion. So, step 1, select the correct formula. Standard error of a proportion is P times 1 minus P divided by N. Press the square root button. If we plug the numbers in this example, P is 0.25, 1 minus P, 0.75, divided by 40, press the square root button. That turns out that if you do that, that is 0.07 or 7%. Double it, or multiply by 1.96, get 0.14. And therefore, the 95% confidence interval on that original number is 0.25 minus 0.14 up to 0.25 plus 0.14. The 95% confidence interval is 0.39 is the upper limit and 0.11 is the lower limit. So that's how it's done.